And welcome to my channel Options Trader today. As I've already told you in my previous videos that natural gas is making a pattern. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, natural gas, that whenever it goes high, what we have seen a sharp fall. You can look at this particular chart. It made a high. After crossing this particular high, it made a second high, and after that we have seen a sharp fall. Cross that particular level, what we have seen a sharp fall coming continuously whenever it goes high. Okay, and then now if we look at this particular high, it crossed this particular level, made a new high, and from there we have seen a sharp fall has come. Okay, before we move forward and explain you how it can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this works, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so there is high chances that it can move further low. Okay, and understand something, whenever it goes high, there is chances that it fall around 20 to 30% or even more. Okay, so probability is that till the time it does not make a swing at these particular level, we cannot see that it can go further upside. Form a swing at this particular level, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, or if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further low, because there is a continuous downtrend forming in this particular form at this particular level. Then only we can see it can go further upside. Otherwise, what we can see, there is a continuous downfall. So probability is there, if this level don't go, then we can see it can move further down, and a probability of touching around 5.865 is there. Okay, and then we can see it can move further low, because as we can see that there is not a strong support we can see till the time it is not touching a level of 5.8. Once it touches this particular level, we can see a bounce back towards an upside, or it form a swing. Okay, otherwise what we can see, a opposite cup pattern is forming as well as a M pattern is forming. Okay, so probability is there, all these supports are being tested here, so probability is very high that we can see the price can move further low. Okay, and so suppose if this level sustain, then I'll explain you if this level didn't sustain. So once this level sustain, probability is less, so it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $6.217. If the price move above that level, then there is high chances that it can go further upside and can touch a level of $6.66 if the price move above a level of 6.217. Okay, and this level is already being tested here, so probability is very high. We can see it can move further upside and can go further high towards a level of $7.1. Keep this in mind, if the price move over level of 6.2, we can see a level of 6.8, and from there we can see a level of 6.1. As I have already told you that 6.8 and 6.5 is quite a support when the price was above them, and now it is acting at a resistance. So once the price move above this particular level, so it is acting, these will act as a resistance. So probability is there, once a price goes above a level of 6.2, we can see a level of 6.8, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 7.1. and if that level goes further high, then we can see it can move towards a level of $7.5. Okay, and from there, if that level also sustain, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 7.7 and then further upside. Okay, but as of now, what we can see, the market is quite volatile in natural gas. Okay, and if this higher probability, we can see it can move further low towards a level of $5.9, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of $5.68. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, there is high chances that it can move further low towards a level of $5.511, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of $5.29. Okay, and the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $4.9, and then further low if the price didn't sustain that level also. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description.